that first position. Now, who can tell me what this is?
Bok-mom.
Run, Bok-mom. Try that with me. Ready? Run, Bok-mom. Run, Bok-mom. Now, what are my toes doing?
Pulling on.
And my knees are straight. Try that again. Run, Bok-mom. And run, Bok-mom.
You want to do passe?
Okay. Tendu. And
Passe.
passe. Tendu. Close first. Tendu. Passe. Tendu. Close first. Now, let's try to do a PK turn. Say that with me.
PK turn.
Now put your foot out.
Undo.
Tendu.
Touch your flea behind the knee.
Touch a flea behind.
Behind the knee.
And turn.
the flea.
One more time. Tendu. Ready? Squish the flea behind the knee. Stay it. Squish the flea behind the knee. Now squish it. Good. Let's try the other way. Tendu. Squish the flea behind the knee. Squish the flea behind the knee. And turn. Make sure we turn this way. Ready? One more time. Squish the flea behind the knee. Squish the flea behind the knee. And squish it. Good job.